Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. In today we are going to see about how to move your configuration from one environment to another environment of taxonomy vocabulary. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to first navigate to taxonomy and D4Drupal vocabulary, and this is the vocabulary which we created in our previous video. So today we are going to see about how to move this configuration. Okay, in this taxonomy vocabulary page you can move all the settings like manage fields or fields whatever available in the manage fields you can move, and manage form display, manage permission, and the vocabulary creation. And you cannot move these terms because terms is a content category, so this you cannot move. You can do migration or some other feeds you can do. And first let's see how to move this vocabulary. Okay, for that what you have to do, you have to navigate to configuration, development, synchronization, and export page. So this is the export page. Here you have to select the single item, and here you need to click on the taxonomy vocabulary. So that is a D4Drupal which we created. So this YML will contain the very basic information about that vocabulary, what name it has and what is the machine name, and description or UID, and whether it supports multilingual or not. Only basic detail it will contain. And this is the name of the YML, taxonomy.vocabulary.d4Drupal YML. Okay. And next, what you have to do, you cannot move this content. So you have to go to manage fields. So in manage fields, you have to move this field. So for that, what you have to select in the field. So here you have to select the. So for moving the fields, you have to move the field storage. After that, only you have to move the field. When you use same field at multiple places, like reusing the existing fields, all the fields will use the same storage, but the field setting will be different for all the places. So for that reason, we are separating the field storage and field settings separately. So here, let me tell you how to do that. So field storage. So field storage will have all the DB related values like what machine name it should be. Sorry, what not machine name. What type of field it should be. Those details will be covered in this, and it should be belongs to which bundle or whatever. So field storage will contain the type of a field name. Okay. So that is category field from the taxonomy. And here you can see what type of field it is. It is what type of field and which is pointing to which bundle. So those will be available. What are the allowed values? So all the DB related data will be available here. So for this setting, the field YML is field.storage.taxonomy-term.field category. And next one is field storage is dependent for this. So here you have to select category taxonomy term. So this will contain very basic field settings. So which means field settings in the sense when you use any reference field or any file upload or whatever. So when you use reference field will be we will be mentioning that the value should be coming from default, or you have to you are configuring any views related, or when it comes to files, it will be saving the file upload size and the extension what are allowed and the resolution of any images whatever. So those will be containing here. And for this category it will be contain very basic details like required or translatable or what label it is and belong to which entity type and the field name. So all will be present here. So the field name is field.taxonomy-term.d4Drupal, and that's it. That's it about the manage fields. Only one field we are going to move from here to stage or any environment. And next one is a manage form display. So manage form display, you have to select entity form display here. So entity form display, you have to select the taxonomy term D4Drupal default. So here you have a configuration for your manage form display of the taxonomy. Okay. So this represents in which order the field should be present in your editorial interface of taxonomy term creation or edit page. Okay. And next one is manage display. So for manage display, you have to select entity view display. So that is entity view display. And here you have to select taxonomy term D4Drupal. And this contains how the term should be appear in front end. Okay. So for this is what the YML name. Okay. And next one is manage permission. So manage permission, this manage permission will not have separate YML. This permission will get added to the global permission page. So you have to move only one YML based on the role. So let's see how to do that. So whatever you are doing changes, those will be added to this permission page. So you have to move a global YML permission for that permission also. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to select role at the top. So in the role, you have to select whatever the role you are changing in your taxonomy to manage permission page. You have to select that role. Let's consider authenticated. You have to pass it. It will not contain only the term related permissions. It will contain all the permission whatever he has access to this website. Okay. So you have to move the permission global only. You cannot move it separately for taxonomy term and all. Okay. And that's it about today's session. Myself Saranya, and you can find my information here. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.